Hashtag. What is up, y'all? I am back in my hometown. I am getting my pizza. I am so happy. I'm just gonna be doing like a kind of like weekend at home vlog, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited to take you guys around. I'm so happy to be home. The only reason why I'm home is because I have to get my blood drawn tomorrow morning. So that's pretty much it, but I'm so excited. What's up, you guys? I've just been watching YouTube videos for a long time now, which I have not just sat down and watched YouTube videos. It's so long and it's so nice not to have to do anything. Like, college is so stressful. We take a minute. I and it still, we were all of that, oh yo. What's up? I can't focus to save my life. Trying to be all artsy and make a little time lapse. Hashtag just YouTuber things. Hashtag college student. Hashtag real life. Hashtag accounting. Hashtag business major. Hi, I'm Sarah and I can't even pronounce my own major. I almost dropped that right on my head. Waking up in bed. When your bed has to glow like that highlighter though. This is reality. Oh. Hi. Good morning. Oh. Oh. It takes a life out of us when we decide to make love. Breathe deep on your side of the way. Can feel my body turning, feel my body. You are my love. You are my love. I could never say this feels right. We're talking in circles all night. Wow, guys, look at this. Woo. Woo. Hey. Can we just take a moment? Oh my god. Hold it up. Put it over here. Oh my god. It's so big. I'm a strong girl. Look at my socks. This is just great. Hold on. There's notes to self. I am amazing. pro tip. If your hair is staticky in the winter, take a little bit of lotion, like that much, rub it between your fingers, and just lightly go through the ends of your hair, and it calms down all the static. Shout out, oh my gosh, I almost fell. Shout out to American Girl magazine for teaching me this trick when I was like 8. But guys, seriously, like, look at that. So much better. OOTD featuring my stuffed dog.
We love falling deeper, drown ourselves in all that go.
You know why I love Walmart? Because even when my life's a mess, I can rely on the orderly, clean aisles of Walmart to make me feel comforted. It's snowing! I don't even know if you can tell it's snowing, but it's snowing, guys. Yay!
Show me how you do, tell me how you feel, cause you say you're living fine all the time, but I know what's real.
What's up, you guys? I am currently in my laundry room waiting for my laundry, but just filling you guys up, updating you guys. I got back from being home. It was so nice just having time to like be with my family and see my dog and just to relax and not feel like you're surrounded with people 24/7, and just to kick back and just have a weekend to myself and my family. And it was super, super nice. It was so productive. I got a ton of homework done. Doctor's appointments, the Death Cure Maze Runner, oh my gosh, it's so freaking good!
They can't help but notice